Hey guys! Let me show you the hotel I stayed at when I was in Boracay. So, ito yung view sa hallway ng room ko. And I stayed at room 217. Room tour muna tayo bago ko i-reveal yung hotel. This is my room and unahin na natin yung bathroom. It is clean and bright and very spacious and meron na ring mga toiletries na naka-ready dyan. Right outside the bathroom is that vanity mirror. Here's a king-size bed with 4 pillows, may study or dining area, may TV, and merong water and coffee station. Meron pa silang pa-welcome na blueberry cheesecake and in fairness, masarap. Now let's take a look at the balcony. This is one of my favorite parts of my stay kasi ayan, di-mall na agad and very relaxing itong fountain sa tapat ng room ko. This is their pool naman sa roof deck. May isa pa yan sa kabilang side. And ayan, makikita mo rin yung dagat from there. Very serene. Ito yung restaurant nila sa ground floor. Dito rin ako nag-breakfast buffet.